Is your PC getting slower and running out of space? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear temporary files on Windows 11 to free up space and improve performance. So, let's dive in. If your PC feels slow or you're running low on storage, temporary files could be the reason. These files build up over time and are no longer needed, so let's remove them quickly. First method, using settings. Open the Settings app, go to System, and then click on Storage. Give it a few seconds to load, then select Temporary Files. Here, Windows will show different types of files you can remove. Before deleting, make sure to check your Downloads folder so you don't remove anything important. Once you're ready, click Remove Files. Second method, using the Run command. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type %temp% and hit Enter. This will open a folder containing temporary files. Press A to select everything, then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. If any file is in use, just click Skip and continue. Third method, using Storage Sense. Go back to Settings, go to System, then open Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically cleans up temporary files in the background. You can also customize it to delete files from the recycle bin after a certain number of days. You can start it immediately by clicking the Storage Sense Now button. And that's it. Your system should now feel cleaner and faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.